Freelancer, hello. Thank you for considering me for your technical SEO needs. I'm excited to discuss your project and explore how we can optimize your website for better search engine performance. Could you provide more details about your website and what specific technical SEO tasks you have in mind? Client, hi. Thanks for reaching out. Our website is in the niche, and we're looking to improve our search engine rankings. Through technical SEO, we're particularly interested in tasks such as website speed optimization, fixing crawl errors, and ensuring our site is properly structured for search engines. Freelancer, great to hear more about your goals. To enhance your website's technical SEO, I suggest focusing on the following tasks: website speed optimization, analyzing and optimizing page load times to improve user experience and satisfy search engine ranking algorithms, crawl error analysis and fixing, identifying and resolving crawl errors, broken links, and other issues that may hinder search engine crawlers from properly indexing your site. XML sitemap optimization, ensuring that your XML sitemap is correctly structured and submitted to search engines for efficient crawling and indexing. Robots.txt configuration, reviewing and optimizing your robots.txt file to control search engine crawlers. Access to different parts of your website. Mobile-friendly optimization, ensuring that your website is fully responsive and optimized for mobile devices, which is crucial for search engine rankings. Client, that sounds like a comprehensive plan. What's your estimate for completing these tasks? And how do you plan to approach the technical SEO process? Freelancer, given the scope of the project, I estimate that it will take approximately 7 hours to complete the technical SEO tasks. My hourly rate is 30, so the total cost would be around $207. However, considering your budget of $200, I'm willing to tailor the scope of work to fit within that budget. We can prioritize the most critical technical SEO tasks first and address additional items as needed. In terms of approach, I'll start with a detailed analysis of your website's current technical SEO status. Based on this, I'll address critical issues affecting search engine performance and implement best practices for optimization
throughout the process.
I'll provide regular updates and collaborate with you to ensure the changes align with your business goals.
Client, your approach sounds reasonable, and I appreciate your flexibility regarding the budget. Could you provide some examples of previous technical SEO projects you've worked on and the outcomes? Freelancer, certainly. I've assisted websites with technical SEO improvements. For instance, one client experienced a 20% increase in organic search traffic within the first month after implementing website speed optimizations and resolving crawl errors. Client, impressive. It's crucial for us to see tangible results. Let's move forward with your proposal. I'm comfortable with the adjusted scope to fit our budget. When can you start? And what information do you need from us? Freelancer, I appreciate your trust in my expertise. I can start as soon as we finalize the details. To begin, I'll need access to your website's back-end, Google Search Console, and any relevant analytics platforms. I'll also appreciate any specific goals or priorities you have in mind for the technical SEO improvements. Client, I'll get you the necessary access and information right away. Let's get started, and I'm excited to see the positive impact on our search engine rankings. Thanks for your time and commitment to this project. Freelancer, thank you. I'm excited to work together and help boost your website's technical SEO. I'll be in touch shortly with further details and the next steps. If you have any additional questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out.